Oh, no, 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 no. What happened here? How's it going today, y'all? My name is Tyler. I'm the distributor for Shoe Magic in Las Vegas, Nevada. And we gotta clean these Jordan 1's. There's only one way to do that. With our MVP kit, it comes with 2 bottles of the best cleaner in the world. A white touch-up to fix all the white on your shoe, and a water and stain repellent, like a coat of armor. So, let's get started. I'm gonna show you how to use that today. First, same thing. Grab your brush, a little bit of water, bottle of cleaner with a few drops. With these bad boys, we might have to put in a little bit more elbow grease, right? Scrub quick, scrub fast. Don't be scared. Once you're done with your initial scrub, take your cloth and wipe off all that dirt. Our cleaner and conditioner is safe on any shoe, any color, any material. So no matter what you got at home, we make sure that you can clean it. Made out of coconut oil and jojoba oil. That coconut oil is gonna take care of all that dirt for you, the grime, the dust, the grass stains, a little bit of vino, the wine, you know, not good, y'all. That jojoba oil, personally, my favorite part, a moisturizer, made to bring back the life, the color, the vibrance in your shoes. That's really what we're going for. Once you're done with that scrub, take your towel and wipe it down. Oof, look at that. Removing all the dirt, all the stains, bringing back the color. Man, little dead stock vibe? Oof, I don't know, man. For the minor details, after we've done our general scrub, those small marks that are left, once again, a drop of our cleaner conditioner on the towel. Just a quick wipe down to take off anything that we missed. As you guys saw, these shoes were destroyed when we got them, and now they're looking crispy. No matter where your dirt is, whether it's on the top of your shoe or even on my soles, still always cleaner conditioner and that brush. Easy back and forth. Take out anything stuck in the bottoms, right? You like to go home, wear your Jordan 1's as your slippers in the house. This is how we're doing it. Next step, a little bit of white touch-up. A mix of acrylic dye and acrylic paint made to bring back the white color in your shoes. Really simple. We're gonna take that cap off. A slight press down. That's gonna release the dye into the sponge. With a light application, white touch-up is great for bringing back that beautiful color in your soles, your laces, or the stitching. Air Force 1's, Vans are bread and butter for white touch-up. Now, you've applied your white touch-up, but some of it got on the black on the bottom. Oh my God, what are we going to do? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Take your cloth, just a bit of water, and a quick detail. And bam, not a stress in the world. And last but not least, you're ready for the final step. Water and stain repellent, protecting you against drinks, food, dust, grime. It's a coat of armor for your shoes if you've got kids, if you're active, if you're outside, if you live in the rain, the snow, the sleet, whatever it is. If there's trouble outside in that world, we're gonna keep you safe from it. Take your shoe. One coat, nice and even. You're gonna let this preliminary coat dry. You're gonna then apply a second coat and leave that for 24 hours. Once you do that, your shoes are safe until you get them dirty again. And that is how you take a pair of Jordan 1's from absolutely busted to dead stock out the box, baby. Oh, that's what we needed, man. So if you look in your closet and your shoes are looking like this, go ahead, snag yourself an MVP kit. Take care of your shoes, take care of the look, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much.